Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of any issue regarding presenting the screen on your Discord, like you're facing black screen errors or your games get crashed when you present the screen or any error regarding to the presenting screen. Now, in order to fix all that, just simply click on user settings or the settings option. Herein, scroll down in this left menu when you click see on this option that says voice and video. In here, scroll down till the last where you will see this option that says streaming and expand this. Here you see this option that says use our advanced technology to capture your screen. Just simply disable this option. Once you do it, you'll notice that every problem that you're facing regarding when you share your screen will definitely get solved once you restart your Discord after doing this setting.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.